In this latest development that has taken place, no relief for Arvind Kejriwal amidst the ongoing Delhi excise policy scam case. The Delhi court has remanded the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal to CBI custody for 3 days. This comes after the CBI arrested the Delhi Chief Minister and demanded custody for 5 days. Ayush, tell us more about this judgment that has been passed. A 3-day CBI custody has been granted of Arvind Kejriwal.
Well, yes, indeed, in a very big development, the Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court has sent Arvind Kejriwal, the Delhi CM, to the 3-day custody to the CBI, an investigative agency. Earlier, there were huge sessions of debates between the lawyers of Arvind Kejriwal and the representative counsel of CBI in Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court. We are at the very place where the hearing took place. Arvind Kejriwal is still inside the court. The decision was made by Judge Amitabh Rawat of the Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court following extensive hearings involving both the CBI and Arvind Kejriwal. Earlier in the day, the CBI had formally arrested Kejriwal after Judge Rawat chose not to intervene in the investigation process. Following this arrest, the CBI requested a 5-day custody period for Arvind Kejriwal, arguing that duration was never necessary for these details. And during the court proceedings, Arvind Kejriwal personally addressed the court vehemently, and I just quote and unquote what he said. He stated in Hindi that मैंने ऐसा कोई बयान नहीं दिया कि मनीष सिसोदिया दोषी है। मनीष सिसोदिया निर्दोष है, आम आदमी पार्टी निर्दोष है, मैं निर्दोष हूं। उनका, which means he is referring to BJP and CBI, that उनका सारा प्लान हमने मीडिया में बदनाम करने का है। CBI के सोर्सेज ने चलवाया, इनके सारे आरोप झूठे हैं। And I have never testified that Manish Sisodia is guilty. Manish Sisodia is innocent. Aam Aadmi Party is innocent. Arvind Kejriwal is innocent. That's what he stated in Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court.
Will he be taken back to Tihar jail? More importantly, is he going to appeal to the Supreme Court to get bail?
Well, the next course of action will be that Arvind Kejriwal will directly be taken to the CBI headquarters for next 3 days, which is till June 29, 2024, and then he will again be produced in Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court. He will not be taken back to Tihar jail since he was arrested from judicial custody by the CBI today in the court itself after the permission of the Honorable Bench. And it is very important to note that Arvind Kejriwal's lawyer will appeal against this judgment in Delhi's High Court, and they will challenge that Arvind Kejriwal should not be put or be sent to the custody of CBI. Over to you.
Okay, thank you, Ayush, for giving us all those details.